Today we're going to review how to create a study in a consultant subscription. So a study is created for each area of work done for formal proposals, marketing materials, or business development. If new work is to be done for an area, a new study should be created in your account. To create a study, what you'll want to do is log into your study-enabled consultant subscription, and you'll see a window giving you the option to select an existing study or to create a new study. In this case, we're going to walk through creating a new study. So I'll just click Create New Study, and here you'll see this window appear. And the first thing I'm going to do is I will choose the study type from the following options. So I can choose Request for Proposal, Business Development, or Marketing Materials. For this demo, I'll Request for Proposal. And then here I can define my study time period. So our maximum option is 90 days. But I can go in and select the date that I know that this study will be finished by, and I will choose December 1st. And then I'll name my study. In this case, I will call it Stockton Project because I know I'm doing a study in Stockton. And then here I can add in a study ID if I have one. This is just a unique identifier that my company might have on hand for this particular work, and then the end client if I want to include that there. I'll leave those blank for now, but I can add them later in the process. So I'll just click Next. And now here I am given the option to define the region for my study. Note that all projects in the study must have their zones located within the predefined region and buffer area that I'm going to create. So the process for creating the region is similar to creating zones in a zone set. Either you can upload a shapefile or draw a polygon. Note that study areas must be smaller than 25,000 square kilometers or 100,000 square miles, which is roughly the size of Oregon or Colorado. And so the first thing you'll do is you can choose the method for creating your study area. So I could upload a shapefile, as I mentioned, or draw a region. In this case, I'll just draw a region. So I know I want to create my region around the city of Stockton, California. I've zoomed into Stockton, and what I'll do here is I will just click with my mouse to roughly cover the city of Stockton. I can be as precise or general about this as I want. There I've created a circle around Stockton, and then I can go in and add a buffer area. So in this case, I want to keep it a pretty small study just around the city, and so I'll include a 2-mile buffer just to give myself a little bit of extra room. And then next, I'll just click Save. And upon saving the study definition, the study is created, and the Manage Travel Projects tab here, I can see the Manage Zone Sets tab shown, and StreetLight is notified of the new study, so this notification is just so that we can help you scope the work for the end client as quickly as possible. And here you can see my study name for my Stockton project. And that's how to create a study in StreetLight InSight.